What's going on, guys? It's Jimmy here. Welcome to our daily show. We discuss everything going on here in our country, in Washington, D.C., and everything you need to know about on a daily basis, including the fourth stimulus package update, stimulus check update, money investing in the stock market, everything you need to know about on this YouTube channel. We cover it. If you haven't subscribed here, make sure to click the subscribe button down below. It's completely free to do so. All it does is make sure you won't miss out on new videos and get reminders. Click the bell icon after subscribing right next to it so you don't miss out on new videos that come out here every day at 10 a.m., 3 p.m., and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is an important video. There is billions and billions of dollars here from the federal government that you might be entitled to, and I'm going to show it to you right here on the screen. And you might probably going to want to share this video with your friends and your loved ones because there's a lot of money, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get it. This is from the third stimulus check package and even some of the previous stimulus packages, and I'm going to show it right here on the screen, okay? So you're going to want to watch this video all the way to the end and probably click the share button down below once this video is over to share this video with your friends and family. We're going to go over several different things here in this video. As I said, this is an important video. Make sure to watch this video all the way to the end. All right, here we go. And also don't forget to hit the like button for us down below. You guys are amazing. All right, here we go. Okay, so there's new money coming out here. And I'm going to show you these headlines here all across the country. As you can see here from Forbes, 90% of eligible families don't access these public benefits, this stimulus money that is available. Most people just don't know about it. 90% of eligible families don't access this money. I'm going to tell you about it right now. First up is the Emergency Rent Assistance Program. This new rent assistance program is new money is coming into it. Okay, there's a second round of rent assistance money just being distributed right now across the country. As you can see here, what programs exist to support renters? Back in December 2020, Congress passed the first stimulus package that allocated $25 billion to establish the Emergency Rent Assistance Program 1, the first one. This program is required to spend at least 90% of this money, remember $25 billion, on direct financial assistance, including rent, rental arrears, utilities, and home energy cost, utilities and home energy cost arrears, and other expenses relating to housing. The remaining 10% of funds can be allocated for programs aimed at services that related to housing stability over the longer term. These funds are set to expire by the 30th of September 2022. The second round of funding passed in March 2021 through the American Rescue Plan set aside $2.5 billion for grantees on the number of very low income renters, households paying more than 50% of income on rent or living in substandard overcrowded conditions. The remainder, which amounted for more than $18 billion, will be spent the same way the majority of the first round of stimulus package was sent out. Now, here's the thing, is that they sent out this money to states in round one previously. Now they're sending out from the third stimulus check package that went out last year in 2021. Now they're sending out a second round of money right now. Check out these headlines here. I'm going to show you some of these headlines just so you can see this. It's a lot of money. Okay, this is in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. House and Senate lawmakers for the state of Pennsylvania announced relief plan for rental assistance dated February 16th here. Senators will direct $500 million into ERAP, Emergency Rental Assistance Program, $500 million to provide relief for tens of thousands of renters and landlords whose applications were stalled when their counties ran out of funds. Let me zoom this in and make this bigger here. Yeah, so $500 million into the emergency rent assistance programs for tens of thousands of renters in Pennsylvania. Again, just one example here. President Biden, Vice President Harris, and congressional Democrats made providing rent assistance to low and middle income families a top priority through 2 COVID-related bills. Unfortunately, the need for rent assistance has far outpaced available funds. Our proposal is now tailored to get additional resources to those communities where the need is greatest and there is the greatest number of applications without funding. Next up, in Omaha, Nebraska, rent assistance bill gets approved by the Urban Affairs Committee. Omaha, Nebraska is one step closer to receiving the second round of federal assistance. The bill was just approved to move forward in a vote count of 4-1-2. The bill would effectively require Governor Ricketts to apply for the emergency rental assistance funds from the federal government. It doesn't cost the state money. The money comes from the third stimulus check package. And they all, Senators Wayne, Blood, Hansen, and Hint all voted to approve the bill. John Lowe was the lone no vote. Again, it doesn't cost the states any money. Quote, there are quite a number of Nebraskans who are struggling with housing and would be helped by this funding. Another one, Kansas City is getting $25 million in rental assistance funding. Here's what you need to know. It just came out a few days ago. Santa Rosa, California, nearly $25 million in direct assistance has just been provided to 2,100 households through the Sonoma County Emergency Rental Assistance Program, county officials announced today. Fulton County, Georgia announces an additional $25 million in emergency rental assistance funding now available. Again, all these states, cities, and counties are requesting and getting new money. New York, this is from a few weeks ago, but New York requests an additional $1.6 billion. That's not million, that's $1.6 billion for the state of New York. Yeah, that's a lot of money. Nearly 40,000 Oregon households receive over $282 million in rent assistance relief. Representative calls on the feds to approve additional rent assistance for Polk County, just here on the last few days. Fort Wayne, Indiana, to reopen emergency rental assistance programs. A lot of cities, counties, and states are reopening their emergency rental assistance programs because they're getting new money. State agency in Georgia turns over $80 million in unspent rental assistance funds to metro Atlanta counties with thousands of applicants. The Georgia Department of Community Affairs has released $80.6 million in federal rent assistance to 5 metro Atlanta counties: Fulton, DeKalb, Henry, Clayton, and Hall, that have already spent their own federal funds to help tenants facing evictions, with thousands more seeking aids. And they're now going to be getting this $80.6 million. Millions of dollars in rent assistance available for St. Lucie County, Florida residents. Florida has an additional $740 million for emergency rent assistance available for families. That's $740 million available in Florida. That's a lot. New assistance available for struggling Arkansas homeowners. Homeowners for this one. Rental and utility relief available for Oahu families in Hawaii. So again, the programs are not limited to just these headlines. These are just headlines that my wife brought up while doing our research. My wife gets a big hats off if you ever watch our show. She does research for all of our videos. She is absolutely amazing. My beautiful wife, Laurel. But yeah, so there is new rent assistance money coming out for rent, utilities, homeowners assistance. There's $9.9 billion of that. But there's a new wave of rent assistance coming out. All those articles were literally like within the last few days here. And it's coming out now. Okay, I'm going to show you, and then I'll get to a couple more programs here in just a second here. I'm going to show you how to get rent assistance, how to apply for it, okay? If you're low income, or even, if you're low income, you should try to apply for this, okay? All it does is it's free, okay? I don't charge you anything. If you ever see a comment from me in the comment section saying to call me or text me, it's a scam. I don't have a phone number you can call. Just disregard that, okay? Just so you know. There's lots of scams out there. But I'll have some links for you down below in the description of this video, okay? I'll put it in the pinned comment for you as well so you can find it easier, okay? There's going to be several links here. I'm going to show you them right now. I actually have a new one here for you as well. You can see here it says official website of the U.S. government up here. Zoom this in a little bit. Find rent assistance programs in your area. This is consumerfinance.gov. It's a very long link here. I'll put links for you down below in the description, as well as the pinned comment down below. Okay. Again, to find the description, you might need to, it's right below or right next to the title. There'll be a little down arrow. You might need to open that up, and the links will be in the description. You might need to click by the title or click on the title to open up the description, okay? You'll find this here, and what you do is you click on any given state here, and then you'll put in your county, okay? And below that will open up what it will find for your area, okay? It'll find links here. So for example, I put in Clark County, Nevada, which is where Las Vegas is, and you notice it came up with this particular county has 3 different programs here, okay? This one for this link, another one for this link, and another one for this link. So 3 different programs for this particular county. Of course, you'd put in your own county. And this will find you places to go and apply for rent assistance, housing assistance, and even utility assistance, okay? The other link I will give you in the description and pinned comment as well will be from the U.S. Department of Treasury, which has a state-by-state listing, okay? So we'll just pick a random state here. We'll pick Indiana. And again, you can see here that there'll be multiple different things here. So we can pick Indianapolis. And then you can go to the links there, okay? So you can see here multiple different things. You can pick Kansas, and you can see there will be multiple different links there as well. Kentucky, and you can see that they'll have different links there as well. So just a couple different links there that might give you some links there. So I'll have a couple different links for you guys down below in the description of this video, okay? That'll help you. Also, I have a link here to find homeowners assistance funding by state. I believe this is the best link for this. If anybody has a better link for this, let me know. But this is the link I have here for this. So if you click like Texas here, it takes you Texas Department of Housing and Community Affairs. And Texas Rent Relief Programs provides over $100 million in assistance and helps tenants and landlords avoid eviction and multiple different things. And again, you can click on it for each state. Another link I want to share with you is there is assistance for you guys for other types, utilities and other type of things here. This is another government website here. This is USA.gov, okay? And as you can see here, let me zoom this in here as well. On this page, they have links for get help with your home energy bill, the LIHEAP program, get help with your medical bills, get help with paying your telephone service, rent assistance links here as well, the temporary assistance for needy families, the TANF program, help with prescription drug costs, multiple different links here for other type of assistance as well as food assistance. That's probably for the SNAP program as well. Again, if we go back here to the Forbes article, 90% of eligible families don't access the public benefits. There is billions and billions of dollars that Congress has already approved, and this money is out there, but 90% of people just don't go out there and apply for them. So if you take a little bit of time to go there with these links that I've already found for you. And I'll put there in the pinned comment down below and in the description of this video. You can literally get hundreds or thousands of dollars through all these different assistance programs that are already approved by Congress, okay? And all these links should be safe links. They're all government links that I have for you down below, okay? They all have .gov links, I believe. I may have a couple different links here for you down below in the description. But literally, that's what I do here for you guys. I'm here for you guys every single day. I'm a voice for you guys in the community. And Congress has already approved this money, okay? So if you can get hundreds or thousands of dollars to help you pay with your home energy bills, your medical bills, your telephone service, your rent assistance, your mortgage assistance, your utility assistance, your prescription drug costs, temporary assistance for needy families. Like, look at all these things on this particular page, as well as the rent assistance, which has billions and billions of dollars coming out, utility assistance and mortgage assistance. You might as well go out and get it. And honestly, that's one of the benefits of watching my show, is that you're not going to be one of the 90% of people that doesn't know about this. I just told you about it. So worst case scenario, you go and apply and they say you don't qualify for it. You know, that's the worst case scenario. So, and then you spend a little bit of your time and, you know, it didn't work out. Best case scenario, you spend a little bit of your time and you go on a website, put your information in on these government websites, and you get approved for utility assistance, rent assistance, mortgage assistance, utility assistance. If you've gotten approved for this, please comment down below if you are okay with it. But I've literally had thousands upon thousands of people that we have helped here on this channel get rent assistance, mortgage assistance, utility assistance. We are a big, large family here, a big, large community here on this YouTube channel. And we're trying to help as many people in that we can here. We're literally just a large family here. And please share this video with all your friends and loved ones, because if you have loved ones that you think might qualify, if they're low income or if they've been affected by the pandemic, they could qualify for this. I have had so many people that have told me in the comments that they've gotten 3 months of rent assistance, 6 months of rent assistance, or over 12 months of rent assistance. Imagine getting your rent paid for 3 to 12 months or more. It's like a godsend. I've had so many people tell me it's changed their lives. So you think about a $1,400 stimulus check. Imagine getting your rent paid for 12 months. It's amazing. So or just getting a $500 check for utilities. Hey, every little bit counts, right? Every little bit counts. So let me know your thoughts here. This is just another stimulus program. Everybody thinks about the stimulus check from the government, but there's all these other stimulus programs as well, okay? And there's a lot of states doing stimulus checks in 2022 and stimulus programs in 2022. I'm going to keep you up to date on all those here on this channel, as well as daily news and everything you need to know about. So if you haven't yet, click the subscribe button right now. It's completely free to do so. All you have to do is click it if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet. Subscribe right now so you don't miss out on new videos. And remember that new videos come out here every day at 10 a.m., 3 p.m., and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you don't miss out on new videos. Remember those times. After subscribing, click the bell icon next to the subscribe button so you get reminders on your device when we go live with new videos. I have helpful advice like this all the time, as well as what's going on here in our country. So I will keep you up to date here. You can click here next to watch my newest video next. And this video is how there could be a monthly checks in the future, like the child tax credits. There could be adult tax credits coming in the future as well. So click on one of those videos next. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video.